Hi, this is Todd from Todd's Mexico, and today I'm going to show you what I'm bringing with me on my 3-month around the world trip, all in a 13-liter backpack. Before the pandemic in 2019, I did 2 around the world trips, about 75 flights, just constantly traveling. And then the pandemic hit and I kind of settled here in Mexico. So it's finally time to get back out there and do some long-term travel. And with everything I've learned over the years, I want to go smaller and smaller and avoid all the airline baggage fees and all the hassles. I travel so light and efficiently, I can't travel with big suitcases or anything anymore. So next time you're ready to go on a trip, lay everything out. Get rid of half of the things you don't need and just travel lighter, have an easier time, and you'll enjoy your trip more. It's time to pack. So I pre-packed to save time the 2 e-bags, packing cubes, so those will go in, and then this is all my electronics, accessories, all in this Oxnard bag. So that takes up a lot of room, but that goes there. And then I have my cameras that will slip right on top, and my toiletries, that goes pretty flat. I have some other things here. The slippers go on top here too. But yeah, so everything, I still have a little bit of space too. You see it's not totally packed. The slippers will go here, and then that's gonna pretty much fill up the top, the main compartment. And then in this outer one, I'll put my passport. So this is all the quick access for flights. The earbuds, charger, iPhone cable, and my cash. Or I might hide the cash inside, but I'll put that here for now. So that fits there. And then this laptop compartment, I got my Bellroy light sling bag, so that'll fit right in there, no problem. Put the MacBook Air. Oh, it's getting tight. Ah, there we go. All right. That, and then the iPad in the very back. And this will zip up. There's plenty of room. Oh, but I still have my extra phone. My extra phone will go in the main compartment. But that's it. Look at that. It's a brick, but all this weighs under 7 kilos. So it's under 15 pounds. And yeah, that's it. This thing is tiny. Here's what it looks like on me. Look how tiny that is. That's pretty crazy. It's the smallest backpack I've ever used on a trip like this. Thanks for watching, and follow my Instagram for stories, and I'll show you how it is traveling with the small bag and just all my experiences. I'll put the links below. But thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe and check out more videos.